Good day, sir. I am Cadet Estrella Joshua M from BSMT Amethyst, and now I will explain what is the muster station. A muster station is a designated meeting point on a ship. It's like a safe room where everyone gathers in case of an emergency. These stations are marked with signs and are clearly shown up in the ship's emergency evacuation plan. Next is the procedures and different types of emergencies. First is the fire alarm. When the fire alarm sounds, it means there's a fire on board. Everyone should head to their designated fire station, find the fire, and follow the instructions on the master list. Next, the general alarm. This alarm is used for any serious emergency, like a fire, collision, or grounding. Everyone should go to their master station and wait for further instructions. Third one is the abandoned ship alarm. This alarm signals that the ship is no longer safe and everyone must evacuate. Everyone should go to their master station and follow the instructions on the master list, which will guide them to the lifeboats. Next one is the man overboard signal. This alarm means someone has fallen into the water. Everyone should go to the deck to help locate the person and throw a lifebuoy. The fifth one is the CO2 alarm. This alarm indicates that CO2 fire extinguisher has been released. Everyone should evacuate the affected area and go to their master station. The sixth one is the engineer's call. This alarm means there's a problem in the engine room. All ship engineers should immediately go to the engine control room. Next one is the cargo hold flooding. If a cargo hold is flooding, the master should be informed immediately. The general alarm should be raised too, and everyone should work to contain the flooding. The eighth one is the pollution prevention. In case of an oil spill, everyone should follow the ship's oil pollution prevention plan to minimize damage to the environment. The last one is the engine room flooding. If the engine room is flooding, the chief engineer should be called immediately and the general alarm should be raised. Everyone should work to prevent further flooding and establish emergency bilging. The letter C is the importance of training in drills. So what is importance of training in drills? So these are crucial for safety on ships. They help everyone learn their roles and responsibilities in case of an emergency. Drills also help people stay calm and react quickly in stressful situations.